Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of being your own boss but worried about the startup costs? Well, you've come to the right place. The year 2026 is just around the corner, and the landscape of entrepreneurship is changing fast. Today, we're diving into 40 profitable small business ideas. You can start with low investment. Forget needing a massive bank loan. Many of these can be launched with just a laptop, some skills, and a whole lot of passion. We've got a ton of ground to cover. So grab a notebook, and let's find the perfect business idea for you. First up, let's talk about online businesses, where your potential customer base is the entire world. Number 1, AI consulting for small businesses. Many companies are struggling to keep up with artificial intelligence. You can offer services to help them integrate AI tools, automate tasks, and improve efficiency. 2. Niche subscription box service. Think curated boxers for eco-friendly products, artisanal coffee, or even dog toys. Find a passionate community and deliver value right to their doorstep every month. 3. Specialized dropshipping store. Instead of selling everything, focus on a specific niche, like sustainable home goods or high-tech camping gear. You handle the marketing, and the supplier handles the shipping. 4. SEO and digital marketing agency. Every business needs to be found online. If you know how to navigate Google's algorithms and run social media campaigns, your skills are in high demand. 5. Virtual assistant services. Professionals and entrepreneurs are always looking to delegate tasks. You can manage schedules, handle emails, and provide administrative support from anywhere in the world. 6. Content creation and management. This could be writing blog posts, managing a company's YouTube channel, or creating social media content. Quality content is king, and businesses will pay for it. 7. Online course creation. Are you an expert in something? Guitar, coding, baking, marketing. Create a course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable and sell your knowledge. 8. E-commerce store management. Many store owners need help with product listings, customer service, and order processing. You can offer your expertise to help them scale. 9. Affiliate marketing blog or channel. Pick a niche you love, create content around it, and earn commissions by recommending products you trust. It takes time, but the passive income potential is huge. 10. Custom chatbot development. Businesses want to provide 24/7 customer support. You can build and implement AI-powered chatbots for their websites and social media pages. Now, let's bring it back to our local communities with service-based businesses. 11. Mobile car detailing. People love a clean car, but hate doing it themselves. With a van and the right supplies, you can bring your high-quality detailing service directly to their homes or offices. 12. Eco-friendly cleaning services. There's a growing demand for green alternatives. Offer home and office cleaning using non-toxic, sustainable products. It's a great selling point. 13. Senior companion and errand services. Help the elderly with grocery shopping, appointments, and simple companionship. It's a business with a lot of heart and a growing need. 14. Personal chef and meal prep. Busy professionals and families want to eat healthy but don't have time to cook. You can prepare weekly meals based on their dietary needs and deliver them. 15. Home organization and inspired by tidying up shows. Turn it into a business. Help people organize their closets, garages, and entire homes for a more peaceful living space. 16. Handyman and small repair services. If you're good with your hands, there's always a need for someone to fix leaky faucets, assemble furniture, or hang pictures. 17. Local tour guide. Do you love your city? Create unique walking tours based on themes like history, food, or street art. It's a fun way to share your passion. 18. Pet sitting and dog walking. For animal lovers, this is a dream job. Offer reliable care for pets while their owners are at work or on vacation. 19. Mobile notary, public. Many legal documents require notarization. Becoming a mobile notary allows you to travel to clients for a convenient premium service. 20. Event planning for small gatherings. Focus on birthdays, aniversarios, and small corporate events. Your organizational skills can help create memorable moments without the stress. Next, for all the imaginative minds out there, let's explore creative ventures. 21. Custom gift and merchandise creation. Using a service like Print on Demand, you can sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding any inventory. 22. Handmade jewelry or craft business. Platforms like Etsy make it easy to sell your unique creations, whether it's jewelry, pottery, or knitted goods, to a global audience. 23. Freelance photography or videography. Specialize in a niche like weddings, real estate, or product photography. A good eye and solid editing skills are your keys to success. 24. Graphic design services. From logos to social media graphics, businesses always need compelling visuals. Build a strong portfolio on platforms like Behance or Dribbble to attract clients. 25. Podcast production and editing. Podcasting is booming, but many hosts need help with the technical side. Offer editing, sound mixing, and show note writing services. 26. Custom illustration and digital art. Create commissioned portraits, book illustrations, or digital art for websites. Your unique style is your biggest asset. 27. Upcycled furniture and home decor. Find old furniture, give it a new life with some creativity and paint, and sell it for a profit. It's sustainable and trendy. 28. Personal stylist and wardrobe consultant. Help people find their personal style, curate their wardrobe, and shop for clothes that make them feel confident. 29. Voiceover artist. Do you have a great voice? You can narrate audiobooks, commercials, and explicable videos from a simple home studio setup. 30. Calligraphy and custom lettering. This beautiful art form is in demand for wedding invitations, event signage, and personalized gifts. Finally, let's look at some unique and emerging business ideas. 31. Tech support for seniors. Help the older generation get comfortable with smartphones, tablets, and social media to stay connected with their loved ones. 32. Drone services. If you're a licensed drone pilot, you can offer aerial photography for real estate, inspections for construction sites, or cinematic footage for events. 33. Personal finance coaching. Help individuals and couples create budgets, save money, and plan for their financial future. Note that this isn't financial advice, but coaching on habits. 34. Rental service for specialty equipment. Think about renting out high-end cameras, party equipment, or specialized tools that people only need occasionally. 35. Language tutoring online. If you're bilingual, you can teach your native language to students all over the world through video calls. 36. Smart home installation and consultation. As more people adopt smart home technology, they'll need help setting up devices like smart speakers, lights, and security systems. 37. Sustainability consulting for homes. Help households reduce their carbon footprint by advising on waste reduction, energy efficiency, and sustainable purchasing habits. 38. Application and resume writing service. Job hunting is tough. You can help people stand out with professionally written resumes and compelling cover letters. 39. Health and wellness coaching. Focus on a specific area like nutrition, mindfulness, or fitness, and help clients achieve their personal health goals through personalized plans and accountability. And number 40, freelance project management. Are you hyper-organized? Offer your skills to businesses to help them manage projects, meet deadlines, and keep their teams on track. Whew! That was a lot. 40 ideas, each with the potential to become your full-time venture in 2026. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills, your passion, and a real market need. Remember, starting small doesn't mean thinking small. Every big company started with a single idea and a first step. Your journey as an entrepreneur starts now. Which ideas spark your interest? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're planning. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with a friend who needs a little entrepreneurial inspiration. Until next time, keep dreaming big and taking action. Say, yeah.